Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the AWS database services. This is Divikran Ravela. AWS provides a fully managed relational and non-SQL, NoSQL database services, and also the in-memory caching, and it also supports the petabyte scale data warehouses as well as the solutions. So we'll start off with the AWS RDS, which stands for Relational Database Services. So this is a very basic kind of database services, which is a fully managed relational database that supports both open source and the commercial databases, including SQL, Microsoft SQL and Oracle as well, and MySQL and Postgres too. And it's very cost-effective services that allows the organizations to launch secure and highly reliable, fault-tolerant, production-ready databases in the matter of minutes. So it just very easy. It's a matter of clicks, and it's just there for you, available readily. And it's also takes it manages it manages things like administrative tasks, the backups, and even the software patching and scaling and replication as well. So these are the few advantages of the Amazon RDS, and it's quite easy to use. And there's another one called as Amazon DynamoDB. This is very different to RDS. It's fast and flexible. The only difference is it's a NoSQL database. The earlier one, RDS, is the relational database, and this one is the NoSQL database services. And for all the applications that need consistent and single digit latency to at any scale, then this is the one for you. The primary examples would be the uses in the mobile and web, gaming and IoT and others. There are many of them. So it is managed database and supports both the document and the key value data models as well. And yeah, and there's another one called as a Redshift. As we they say, is the very opposite to DynamoDB in few cases. Like it's fast and fully managed, and it's a petabyte scale data warehouse. It's a warehouse service that makes it simple and cost effective to analyze the structured data. So you can analyze the data, so it's in a structured format. So Redshift provides the standard SQL interface and let the organizations use the existing business intelligence tools as well. And it leverages the columnar storage technology to improve the I/O operations, and it also supports the parallel queries into the multiple nodes of it. And Redshift is able to deliver the fast query performance with all this, and it allows the organizations to automate most of the administrative tasks that are associated with provisioning or configuring or monitoring a cloud data warehouse. So it's very handy as well. And this another one, this called Amazon ElastiCache. They, as the name goes, it's a cache, and it is this web service that is simplifies the deployment and operation and scaling of in-memory cache in the cloud. And the service using this one improves the performance of your web applications, and retrieving of information is much more faster than retrieving it from the disk-based databases. So the writing, as this will be writing into the ElastiCache, and it is currently it's supported by Memcache and Redis as of now, and there could be few coming up in the future, but as of now it's only Memcache and Redis. And then yeah, so that's about the database services, few of the important ones. So the first one was an RTS, which is a conventional the relational database service, and then we have DynamoDB, which is NoSQL database, and then we have a Redshift, which is a petabyte scale database, and there's some ElastiCache, which is the caches the data for the applications to run faster. Thanks, guys.